Hey guys, I'm bringing you a little quick mini unboxing today. This tiny little thing is the RavPower PD Pioneer 30-watt charger. So really simple, really small. Just wanted to share it with you real quick as we do this unboxing. Okay, so we're looking at RavPower. And their little instruction booklet, pamphlet. And this is the charger. So you're looking at your standard USB-A and a USB-C. Now the cool thing about it is that the USB-C is rated for 18 watts and the USB-A is rated for 12 watts, but they can pull 30 watts max together combined, so that's pretty cool. So you're not gonna get a slowdown if you're using this one to connect this. You're not getting a slowdown regardless. Just in comparison, I do have a 40 watt, I believe. Yes, 45 watt. So just to compare, this bottom one 45, and the RavPower is 30 combined, 18 USB-C and 12 USB-A. So just choices. It depends what you're looking for. But yeah, just wanted to show it to you guys real quick. This is the RavPower, the PD Pioneer 30-watt charger. Thank you.